Okay, guys, I dropped two major signals in the Telegram channel yesterday, and we had amazing results with those two channels. Okay, but this particular one called Pinex 1200 gave us amazing profits also, even though this signal was dropped very late because it all started from here, but this is where we came in within the Telegram channel, and I'm going to give you a reason behind this, and of course I'm also going to let you know um how I'm able to come up with this kind of trading signals. Okay, you can see how we smashed all the TPs. Okay, and of course, in case you are not within the Telegram channel, you are missing a lot, guys. You are missing a lot. So you can see this signal started from here and it has gotten to this region, and all the TPs were smashed. Okay, so this is so amazing. I'm really happy we are able to do this together. Now, let me show you how I'm able to come up with this signal. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, I dropped two major signals within the Telegram channel yesterday, and more will still be dropped today. In case you are not there, kindly join the Telegram channel. You're going to find the link in the description box, or you check the pin down message, okay? And of course, guys, this is PNX 1215 minutes time frame. I actually saw this set. I've been, if you have been following up with my signals and my videos, you will notice that we actually milk this particular asset from this resistance zone. Sorry about that. From the resistance zone to this very end. Okay, when it got to this support region, it had a pullback and came back there, and it was unable to break out from there. So, like I told you, if you watch my video, I said this is giving us double bottom. Okay, because it is giving us double bottom, and of course it's trying to form a W. The last leg of the W usually go very well, so I'm expecting it to switch into an uptrend. So that means it's not going to break out below this support zone that way. So immediately it switch into an uptrend. I already have my I already have my support zone highlighted already. Okay, and of course immediately it switched into an uptrend. I came in. Okay, so this is my setup. This is my entry point. That is why I'm using a different different horizontal line for it. Okay, this is my entry point, and of course it kept on going because I was hoping that okay, it can get to this region. It can actually get to this region. I don't know if it's going to break structure here, so it can actually get to this region and pull back, okay, to the support zone to see if it can break out from there. So as you can see, it broke out above it and to give us more profit. So when I realized that it broke out above it to give us more profit, I quickly highlight set up a another trade set up for my community. Okay, so this is my entry point for the community, for those within the Telegram channel, for those that are not having this indicator, because if you're having this indicator, you shouldn't expect to get I mean, you shouldn't be expecting my signals. Okay, so because the indicator can even guide you into profitable trades if you know how to use it well. Okay, so for those that are within the Telegram channel that are not having this indicator, decide to give them free trading signals. And of course, this happen to be the entry point. And at this spot, we have our stop loss. Okay, you can see it activated it and came back down. It almost got to the stop loss, but it didn't get there. Went back up again, and of course, right from there, it achieved our first TP, second TP, third TP, and right now it has just achieved the fourth TP. That's so amazing, guys. For those that are having this trading tool, I mean, this indicator, I'm very sure they should have milked it right from here. So they are supposed to make more than those that are following the signals within the Telegram channel, because I made more with my trading activities. So if you if you are within the Telegram channel and you picked up the signal alone, then definitely this is what you will be making. But for those that are having this trading tool, then they should have started from here. And if you did not trade at all, that means you are the one that decided not to make anything with the opportunity you have. Because I've tried as much as possible to make sure we all benefit from this community. Okay, number one, I have a custom made indicator that can guide you into profitable trades on daily basis. So it is now left for you to know if you want to get it or not. Okay, but if you don't want to get it, or probably you do not have the ability to get it as at now, then you can also follow the trading signals which are being dropped within the Telegram channel. So if you are not doing any of these, then that means you don't want to do anything at that particular point, because the trading signal is what some people actually follow that got them this amount of profit. Okay, so you might think it is small, it is not. If you are coming around there and follow the signal till this very end, this is giving us 55 candles of 15 minutes on 15-minute time frame. Okay, 55 candles on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so that is huge already, and this is giving us about 200 and 20,212 points. 20,212 points. That's so amazing. So this is huge already for those that actually picked up this signal. And for those that are having this trading tool and they decide to come in right from here to this very end, this is going to be giving them 45,708 points. That is about 104 15 minutes candles. So that's so amazing. That's huge. So you can see that this is a win opportunity for every members of the community. So it all depends on how you are using your own, okay, how you are taking advantage of the opportunity. So that is how it works generally. The only strategy which I have actually used here is the trend trading strategy, and that is what the indicator is also using. Okay, I had to wait for this to switch into an uptrend, to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. And when it switched into an uptrend, I wait for the buy signal just to be very sure that it is a good entry. I got the buy signal, and of course I set up my trades, entry points, stop loss, and boom. Okay, and when I noticed that, okay, people within the Telegram channel will also benefit from this, even though this has gone far, I decided to wait for the pullback. We got the pullback, and of course I set up a trade for them, entry point, stop loss, and have some highlighted TPs for them. And as you can see, this actually gave us amazing result. As at yesterday night, it has even achieved first two TPs. Okay, it was in during the night and this morning that it achieved the last two TPs. Okay, so that's so amazing. So congratulations to all those that are able to pick up these signals. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you, and God bless you.